We are...
The Grand Island KOA.
Does that little thing show in my head, the timer? Or does that go away?
The timer goes away. You won't see
Oh,
the
okay.
timer.
So yeah, this is Grand Island KOA
Yeah.
in Niagara. So it's a nice little... That's a nice campsite. You're just going to want to be up front.
Yeah, not back here where we're parked at.
There's a super highway. Maybe it's the Autobahn. We're not sure. But it's
loud at night.
It's loud and it never stops. So it must be going into Buffalo. But neat spot. They weed eat early in the morning right around your campsite. So that's fun.
Yeah. They leave the empty campsites alone. They just come to the RVers.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
But it's very close to Niagara Falls. We're only 4 miles from Niagara. Plenty of Ubers, Lyfts, and they also have a
ridiculous tour bus.
yeah, $400. You can get yourself to Niagara and do a tour for the day. But if you Uber and do it yourself, you can save lots of money. So
yeah, absolutely.
but it's full hookup.
Yeah.
So
Weather was good.
yeah, weather was good. Today's kind of rainy. It rained last night, so we're gonna head to Hershey. We'll let you know when we get there.
Let's do it. You ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Bye.
So this is the back campsites. The ones up front are much better.
Yeah.
I'd recommend those. This is noisy back here. The highway's right here.
Yeah, it was noisy.
So it's kind of similar to staying at a rest area,
Yeah.
except you're paying $100 a night.
Yep.
Full hookup. So up front would be much better.
Yeah.
Very transient.
That makes my foot.
There's your rig.